One of our guiding principles is impact. And with every role I've had at Fast Slow Motion, I feel like my impact on small business owners and even my coworkers keeps growing. And it's kind of like the Stephen Covey concept of, like, if you do a good job with where you're at, then you're going to get more opportunity to have more impact and more responsibility. And this job definitely allows for the impact. And with that comes so much fulfillment. And I've noticed that I don't even pay attention to my hours other than the tracking that I need to do for our projects, because I get lost in helping the client and the impact that has, which in turn gives me fulfillment. It's just a really cool experience.